Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about vocabulary, phrasal verb. We are going to discuss two phrasal verbs, their meaning and how to use the phrasal verb in sentence. These are rope in and stir up. Number 1, rope in. Number 2, stir up. Rope in and stir up. First, we are going to discuss about rope in. What is the meaning for rope in? Persuade someone to take part in an activity despite their reluctance. Influence someone or advise someone to take part in an activity despite their hesitation or unwillingness. Reluctance means hesitation. They are not willing to do the action, but we persuade them, we advise them, or we make them to take part in the activity despite their unwillingness. In that case, we can use the phrasal verb rope in. Persuade someone to do something that they do not really want to do. They do not really want to do the action, but we make them to do. In that case, we can use the word rope in. Look at the example sentence for rope in. Here we have used roped in. The past tense for rope in is roped in. My sister did not want to sing in the talent show, but my father roped her in. My sister hesitated to take part in the talent show, but my father convinced her to take part in the action. He made her to take part in the talent show. That is the meaning of this sentence. Number 2, my mother was roped into making tea for the whole team. My mother was hesitated to make tea for the whole team, but somebody made her to take part in the action, in the activity. In that case, we can use the phrasal verb roped in. Second phrasal verb we are going to deal is stir up. Stir up. The meaning of stir up is to make people feel strong emotions. Making people to feel strong emotions is called stir up. Here we have another meaning for stir up, that is to try to cause problems. If someone is trying to cause problems, he is stirring up the situation. Look at the example sentence for stir up. The sight of the school stirred up a lot of emotions. Here again we have used the past tense for stir up. Past tense for stir up is stirred up. When we look at the school, it made us feel strong emotions. That is the meaning of this sentence. Number 2, he was accused of stirring up racial hatred. Racial hatred means race discrimination. He was accused of stirring up race discrimination among people. In this class, we have discussed two phrasal verbs, their meaning and example sentence, rope in and stir up. Hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.